How to find nearby people in Instagram. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find nearby people in Instagram. Finding nearby people on Instagram can be done through Explore feature. For that, you will need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the bottom, at the left side of this plus icon, tap on this magnifying glass icon to open the Explore page. Once you are on this page, you're in the search bar at the top, tap on it and enter the location or place you are interested in. Once you enter the location or place you are interested in, below you will find the search results. Here make sure you select this places option at the right side. Once you select it, from here you need to search for a location. Tap on the exact location as yours and this will help you find nearby people who are currently at that place. You can tap on the map at the top and you can zoom it to find the people. If you want to search for more people, you can tap on the search this area at the top and then you can find the people nearby you or at that place. So by following these steps, you can find and connect with people who are nearby on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.